Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a closed won opportunities by month report in Salesforce. This report is incredibly useful for tracking your sales performance over time and seeing exactly how much revenue you're closing each month. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to click on the app launcher, which is the 9-dot grid icon located in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This opens up your navigation menu where you can access all your Salesforce tools. From here, select Reports. This takes you into the reporting section where you'll build your custom report. Once you're in the Reports section, click the New Report button. This opens up the report creation wizard. You'll see a search box appear, and this is where you'll search for opportunities in the search box. Salesforce will show you different report types, so make sure you select the Opportunities report type specifically. After selecting it, click the Start Report button to begin building your report. Now that your report framework is set up, you need to filter it to show only the opportunities you care about. Click on the Filters tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll narrow down your data. Click the Add Filter dropdown, and from the list that appears, select Stage. The Stage field tells Salesforce which opportunity stages you want to include. Next, you'll see Operator options, select Equals, and then choose Closed Won from the available stages. This ensures you're only looking at opportunities that have been successfully closed. Once you've made these selections, click Apply to save this filter. Now go back to the Outline tab. This is where you'll structure how your data is organized and displayed. Click the Group Rows dropdown and select Close Date. This groups your opportunities by when they were closed, which is essential for a monthly report. Here's where it gets really useful. On the Close Date group column, click the drop-down button, hover over Group Date By, and then select Calendar Month. This transforms your data into monthly buckets, making it easy to see your performance month by month. Next, you want to see the total dollar amount closed each month. Click the drop-down button on the Amount column, hover on Summarize, and then select Sum. This adds up all the opportunity amounts within each month, giving you your total monthly revenue. Now it's time to save your work. Click Save in the top right corner. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your report. Type in Closed Won Opportunities by Month as your report name. Then select a folder where you want to store this report. Choose a location that makes sense for your organization. Finally, click Save and Run. This saves your report and immediately runs it, showing you your closed won opportunities broken down by month with the total amounts summed up. And there you have it, a fully functional monthly closed won opportunities report that you can run anytime to track your sales performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.